Menteri Rangba Kajala Conrad Sangma haringkat Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong kilalet ya kendu yang Menteri ke kampo yang ke Sorkar Pedeng Amit Shah mentaka sengi bania keran halor ke Jinglong Jingman halor ke Balaja hakari Bangladesh bat ika jingkta ke balak ban mi na kate ke Tan Shate lam mi ngi hakane ke jing ya kendu Menteri Rangba Kajala ha Pedeng ke jing sngau khia bat ke jing sngau shongs ir joki pat ba nong shong shnong hapok ke Jala Meghalaya ula ong ru bat ula kan mau biang yang Menteri ke kampo yang ke Sorkar Pedeng benom ailat ikino kiriu shimet ban lej banwan bandrung syashiliang ke Khappud India namar kane ke kam kalong ke baab jingma ya ke rihi berok kewei bat ula kerpat ru yau Amit Shah pendang don kam ban penbiang Shuh Shuh ki Shipai Pahara lengba ki Shipai hasilinter ki jaka Khappud kenang ba enla ban penklan Shuh Shuh ya ke jing Pahara.
Today the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya and myself had a review meeting along with the Home Minister of India, Shri Amit Shah ji, to review the overall situation at the border area, keeping in mind the current situation that the country of Bangladesh is going through. In the review meeting, we have briefed the Honorable Home Minister that there was good work that is going on by the BSF and the Army, and very strict monitoring is being done currently by these two forces. And at the same time, the Meghalaya police also is on high alert. We also informed him that we have put night curfew all along the international border to further strengthen the overall security scenario in the border zone. We reiterated to the Honorable Home Minister that we should not allow at this point in time any individuals to cross the border, as the matter is very, very sensitive, and in detail discussions were done on that matter, and the Home Minister has further stated in the meeting that the Government of India is not going to allow any individual to cross over, and all the measures are being taken to ensure that the border is securely guarded so that no movement takes place across the border. Apart from that, we have also urged the Government of India through the Honourable Home Minister that if necessary, more manpower can be provided along the border areas so that the security can be reinforced, and to that the Honourable Home Minister said he will examine the scenario and the situation and take necessary actions if necessary.